Hello, good morning, all. How are you doing, my dear students, during this pandemic? It's a very crucial time for all of us, right? Because all the institutions, schools are remain closed, and you all are sitting in your home, right? So you all have very much time to study to prepare yourself, right? So how's your days are going during this pandemic? Do you are you start gathering with your friends, start gathering, start playing with your friends? I think and I hope you don't start still now, right? Because maintaining social distance during this pandemic is very, very important to keep us safe, to keep our parents safe, to keep our family safe, right? So you can play indoor games with your parents, with your brothers, sisters, right? And when you go outside, you should keep maintain your social distance, right? I think your parents make you understand all this, right? And keep your hands washing by using this, right? It is very, very important to keep yourself safe and healthy, because if you are healthy and safe today, then you can learn, then you can study more well, and you can score very marks, right? So today I think I am in your first contact, right? Today is our first class with our first very first lesson, and that is from genetics of class 10th biology, and particularly this is heredity and evolution. It is one of the most important and most interesting subject, one of the very vast subject of biology itself, but it is very, very important and related to our day-to-day life, right? So let's start our first lesson with a very positive note for today and for tomorrow and for every day. That is what, instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. That means we can't control corona pandemic to stop, but we can control ourselves from getting contaminated from the disease, from getting contaminated others from the disease, right? So keep maintain your social distance, keep hand washing, stay safe at home, stay safe at home with your family, right? Take care of yourself and take care of your parents, right? So let's start our first lesson. So hi, first of all, it is a very high five from my side to you all, my dear students, because we are not teacher and students, but we are friends. We are family, right? So I am your new friend, Mosumi, and I will teach you biology and the science, right? So see here. Who is this? I think you all you know about Darwin. He is the father of evolution. And he says once that love all your living creatures all around. So our motto of life is to love every animal, love every organism, and that is the motto of science, right? That is the motto of conservation. That is the motto of conserve our environment, right? So here start our first topic, that is heredity and evolution. So what do we mean by heredity? You all have siblings, right? These are the siblings. You all have cousins, you all have brothers, sisters, right, in your family. But can you ever distinguish themselves from yourself from them, that you all are different but you all are very similar, but then also you all are very different? In fact, if you have pets, and if you have you sometimes eat pea, that is motor pea. If you eat in dinner, eat in lunch, you can recognize that every day that the pea we eat, the shape is different, very different, but it is the same motor pea. The cats, all the animals have the same shape and size, but still they are very different from one another. See, in your locality, in your town, in your ward, in your village, the group of people gathering, if you notice, they all are people of the same size, of the same structure, but they are very different from one another. They are very different individuals. They have unique characteristics in them, right? In your very big forest, if all there are mango trees or if all there are ferns, but still they are very different from one to another. So this is the basics of heredity, how they different and how they go from one generation to another, how you different from your parents, how you different from your grandparents, right? So these are the basic structures of heredity, and what heredity teaches us, they accumulate from generation to generation, and by evolution they getting converted to from one different entity like this. See, this is your grandparents, this is parents, and these are all your siblings. So all you are very different. So how's my explanation, student? Yeah, let me know, okay? So take care of yourself. We'll meet soon in our next class. Bye.